Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete Google Photos all at once. We start by opening Google Photos in our browser. After that, we are going to go to the first image in the list to select and click in the upper left corner with the check icon to select it. After that, we will go to the end of the list. To do this, you can scroll with the mouse or press the N key on your keyboard to make it faster when there are many photos. Now holding down the Shift key, we are going to select the last photo by clicking on the check icon as we did before. We will see that all the photos are selected at the same time. Finally, we will click on the trash icon to delete all the photos at once. Confirm the action to move the items to the trash. Remember that these photos will stay in the trash for a while, so you will also have to permanently delete them from here. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.